Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
So, 20? No, 25. 35.
Times two, times two. Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Upo na po kayo, upo. Padaanin niyo po siya. Upo na po kayo. Daan na po kuya.
Walang iyak. Walang iyak. Walang iyak. Walang iyak. Walang iyak. Walang iyak. Walang iyak.
Doon ka po kuya.
Upo na doon. Walang iyak.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Kamuglaw na? Doon ka, Shelo. Ayun, lighter. Lighter. Bata ako siya.
Happy birthday po mga pa. Thank you po sa lahat. I wish all the best for you. Ingat po ay palagi dyan. Stay healthy. Happy birthday to all po. Enjoy your day. Life lang.
Happy special day pa to you. I wish the weather is always comfortable, customers are always easy to deal with, and the food is always yummy. To your sweet husband and our loving father, I wish you happy birthday and magsikisa ka. Tapos may tumatakbong itik ko. Love you, have fun, bye-bye. Tiro niyo ko lechon.
Hi po, Papa. Happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo para sa akin. Sorry din po kung ano yung pinagagawa ko, hindi mo po nagugustuhan. Mama, ingat po kayo palagi yan. Sa mga po ang nakita. Sana kayo makalingan. Alam niyo po kayo.
Ay!
Happy birthday po. Love you po. Stay safe po dyan.
Happy 50th birthday. Sana lumang kapatid. Lugin na ba? Lugin na ba? Kapatid ko. Hanggang
Kumakanta happy birthday, manok.
Happy
Mahaba naman ang
Birthday, tatalong birthday.
Happy birthday, kapatid. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Happy
Happy birthday ulit, kapatid!
Happy birthday, Koy! We love you!
Hey, Anthony, happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Ang hiling ko lang ay good health at sana ay umaba pa niyong buhay, mga 200 years old. Yeah. Pwede ba yun?
Kahon.
And then,
Ayoko nun.
sana
Nagbumuta ka na.
ng iyong kahilingan ay matupad dahil ang mabuting tao na kagaya mo ay pinagpapala. Happy birthday! Cheers!
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday. Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo.
Anak naman,
And,
Joy.
I hope you're happy as well. Because you deserve it. You deserve to have fun. I just wish you good health and please always take care of yourself. I love you po and God bless you. Miss you.
Duwerte. Mia. Happy birthday, Tito Anthony. We love you. Happy birthday, Tito Anthony. I love you.
Hello po niyong tanay. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Enjoy your day po at mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan. See you soon po.
Happy birthday, Tito. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We love you. Thank you so much. Sorry, thank you so much. There's solo. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. I want you to know that you are the only person who could make me really, really happy. You are also the only person who could make me really, really sad. You know why? Because you rock my world! I have very simple wishes for your birthday. I want you to stay healthy, as you always are. And I want you to stay happy because we have decades, not years, decades to be together. So stay happy, be blessed, and may you be embraced by God's love all the time. Happy birthday! God bless. Enjoy. Surprise! I love you. 3, Susan. Happy birthday, bro. Love you. Enjoy your day. Kaka for now. Many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you again.
Tonight, happy 50th birthday. Sana lagi kang masaya at more success in life and good health. Happy birthday, pa.
Happy 50th birthday, pa. Anthony Oronce. More blessings, good health, and again.
Hello tonight. Happy 50th birthday to you. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, pare. More birthdays to come. Hiningat ka again.
Hello, happy birthday, Anthony. God bless you. Thank you. Anthony, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, pare ko.
Ayan,
50 ano eh.
Happy birthday, more birthday pa.
Happy birthday ba? Alam mo ko rin mo.
Yes.
Happy birthday pa rin.
Hello. Anthony, happy birthday, dear. More blessings. Lina, love you.
Happy birthday, Night!
Happy birthday, boss, tonight. Happy 50 years birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Miss Karana.